This is Lincoln 11. You can show me code 6 on a car stop north San Andreas Avenue. It's going to be on a 2-door white sports car. It's going to be San Andreas plate. Correction. 2 Lincoln 11. Show me a backup unit. Here, that you comply.
Any Rampart units, 2 Lincoln 11 is requesting backup for a traffic stop northbound Popular underneath San Andreas on a 2-door white sports car. Any units in the vicinity respond code 3 identify.
285, show me code 3 from Popular and Glory to the backup request.
Clear, right?
285, roger.
209, I'll need code 6 on the back.
209, roger.
This is Lincoln 9. Vehicle pursuit with that gray 2-door going to be going northbound Popular.
11. Start swimmer backup, airship and supervisor.
11, roger. Any units in the vicinity, 2L11 is requesting a backup airship and a supervisor for vehicle pursuit, 2-door white colored sports car north on Popular.
He's going.